Hey guys, welcome to the Machine Tool Technology program here at United Technical Center. We are a 2-year machining program. We teach manual machining as well as CNC machining. Manual machining being like lathe, mill, drill press, grinding. CNC machining, that may be a new term for you, but CNC machining stands for Computer Nomenclature Control. So we program lathes and mills. We are a nationally certified and accredited program through NIMS, which is the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. We also offer an embedded math credit that you would earn while taking the program here at United Technical Center. So what I like to do is take a couple minutes just to show you around the shop, and hopefully we'll see you this fall.